Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, you're watching the quick hands-on with the Moto G7 Play smartphone that was showcased at the Mobile World Congress, and it's all launched earlier, but it was not yet launched in India. So this is the phone coming with a 5.7-inch HD Plus display that's 720 into 1512 pixels of screen resolution, and there's a Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front. This is an IPS LCD display, and internally the phone comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 chipset. This is quite a common chipset now for Motorola since they have been using it on quite a few phones, and the device runs Android 9 Pie and it comes with that Moto experience. Design wise, it comes with a plastic bag and it has most of the basic ports that a phone would require, including the USB Type-C port, the couple of microphones as well as the 3.5 headset jack. Now moving on to the about section of this device, you can see that it runs the Android 9 Pie, and this is the variant with 2GB of RAM, 32GB storage, and there is no other variant, so you'll have to bear it with the 2GB of RAM here. There's a micro SD card slot which is a dedicated slot, and it can offer storage of up to 512GB. That is extra if you use a micro SD card. And with the camera combination, you can see here it is a 13MP plus 8MP camera combination with a single camera that's 13MP one on the back, and on the front there's an 8MP camera for the selfies. The phone comes with a fingerprint sensor on the back, and also there's a 3000 mAh battery that is powering this phone, and this should be giving you about a day's usage, but there is no fast charging except for the 5-way 2-way, that's the regular charging that is given here, so you don't see any power charging here. But the Moto experience stays here with those of the Moto actions as well as the Moto display. Under Moto actions you have several options including the lift to unlock, media controls, one touch nav, that's the one button nav, and also the flashlight, chop to flashlight, and the quick capture where you can twist the phone to capture the pictures, and those features are always there as a part of the Moto experience, which is a good thing. You have all of those basic controls, and the device has a large notch on the front to house not just the camera but the earpiece grill as well as the sensors, so that's a good thing. There is no reduction in the number of sensors, everything is there, but the display has now become quite a common thing. So you see that large notch on the top, and the back is a plastic bag with that Moto dimple having the fingerprint sensor on the back, and the camera is a bit regressed, which is a good thing. You don't have a camera bump here, so you don't see any scratching of the camera area, and the phone is quite light with 149 grams of weight, but again it does not come with a heavy battery. It's a 3000 mAh battery that powers the device. So this was a quick overview of the Moto G7 Play smartphone that was showcased at the Mobile World Congress 2019 in Barcelona. If you have any other questions about this smartphone, do let me know, and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.